Good morning, world. It's Kwame the Wanderer here. I just woke up and I'm still in Coffs Harbour, New South Wales, Australia. It's a rainy morning, it's cloudy, and I want to go for a walk at the beach. So right now, I'm walking my way to Sapphire Beach in Coffs Harbour, New South Wales, Australia. Wanderers, just for your notice, Sapphire Beach is not a patrolled beach. So if you are considering coming here to swim and you are not a good swimmer, you have to be very aware of your personal safety. If your swimming skills are not on point, I will advise you to come for a wander, enjoy the beach, but abstain from swimming. As I said, it's not patrolled, so be aware of that. Thank you. Join me. Let's go for a walk in the rain at Sapphire Beach. I just like the vibe. I like the rain, the sound, the temperature, the breeze. The atmosphere is beautiful and it's different. So let's go for a stroll this morning. The sound of the waves is so relaxing. I like it. And I like the fact that I've got all this beautiful beach to myself. It's very therapeutic. Feels so good. I'm feeling like a kid in a lolly shop. I'm lost on a beach. Kwame the Wanderer is lost, but you will find me at Sapphire Beach, Coffs Harbour. I'm happy and I can't imagine how it's so simple to gain some happiness. I'm lost, come and get me. The only problem is I'm having too much fun, so it's better you don't come and find me. I'm doing okay. Lost in paradise. I'm born again. I'm soaked wet. The wave just bashed me and there's salt water all over me, right in my eyes, in my nostril. My sweater is wet. I think it's time for me to return back to my hotel. Let me clean the lens of the camera. Thanks for joining me for a walk at the beach this morning. Hope to see you very soon in my next video. I hope we all had fun. Have a good one. See you soon. Bye-bye.